Guys, I usually start my intro outside, but you'll have to forgive me. It's like 41 degrees out there, so I'm sure you won't mind if I don't start at the very front of the house. But I have gone around the whole house, I assure you. So this is a beautiful Cibeles, and we're not far from Coveira Airport. We're about 30 minutes. And we're about 20 minutes from some beautiful beaches. And we have several of them. Campus Hall has everything you need. Except there's no school here. The children have to get on a bus to go down into the main town. But other than that, we have all the amenities that you can ask for. Doctors, opticians, chiropodists, restaurants, cafes, bars. We've got it all here. You've even got vets. Everything is covered. So let me take you around this beautiful home. And, well, less of my talking. Let's get going, is it? I have come into the D section of the Cibeles. Absolutely fabulous. They've enclosed the D section of the Cibeles to create more accommodation. You have ceiling light and fan there, and you got your windows that open up to let those breezes through. You've got doors on either side, which is great as well. I'm going to bring you in to the main house itself now. Just here we have a little vestibule there, and through here this is the main living space. Now you have 3 windows which illuminate this room lovely. You have ceiling lights and fans, and you have a log burner. You've also got your central heating there as well. Now I'll take the room at a different angle as we walk down, just to pan around so you can see it differently. So as you can see, this is quite a large living space. You have the aircon up there, and just above you've got ceiling light and fan, and you've got 2 of those. This is a huge space. I have seen some Cibeles style houses where they have put at least 3 small sofas inside, you know. So I'm going to go up here. Now through that archway is the very large kitchen. We're just going to go through here. Now in here is your master bedroom. Now in the master bedroom, of course, it has got your double wardrobes there. Through here, and this is a beautiful, bright, large bedroom. As you can see, it's also got aircon, ceiling lights and fans. It's also got radiators under the window there, and it's dual aspect. So if I just come across here and pan around for you guys, as you can see, there's a double wardrobe there with overhead storage. Okay, so good size. This will take a nice queen size bed in this bedroom. So just in here is your shower room. It's a large shower room with a frosted glass window. You have your WC, and you have your sink and vanity unit. You've also got a mirror, the small unit there with lights, and your heated towel rail. Now as I come down here, we're going into the next bedroom in here. So this bedroom is quite large as well. It's a good size double bedroom, and you have got aircon as well. Just above you got a ceiling light and fan. Notice there is a radiator at the end of the bed, and just here you have your double wardrobe with your overhead storage. Now if I come through here and we go down the far end of the house, you have got another shower room. The shower room has a frosted glass window. It's got the mottled grey tiles with nice blue accent on. You've got your WC, nice decent large shower in there, and again your vanity unit and sink. So if I take you just in here into this 3rd bedroom, and the sun is illuminating this room beautifully. So just under the window you got your radiator, you got your aircon above and the ceiling light and fan. Nice large bedroom. Shut the door behind me. And as I pan around, you have overhead storage and a double wardrobe. So they're very generous sized bedrooms. So let me take you back outside. We go down the corridor here. Now as I come through the archway, that's the vestibule, the way we came in. Beautiful large living room. And through the archway here is your kitchen diner. It used to be a kitchen and diner. So what the people have done is they've taken that big archway out and made it more open plan. Now all the appliances in the property are possibly about 6 months old or less. So you're getting a really good bargain here. You also have plenty of top and base units. Let's see what we've got here now. So you've got your gas hob, electric oven, washing machine, dishwasher. You've got a water filter tap there. And plenty of top and base units. You've got a nice granite effect worktops. And you've got this beautiful American fridge. So I'm just going to pan around to give you a nice feel for the room here. And we're going to go out the back door now and have a look around the pool area. So we've just walked out of the kitchen onto this fabulous area here. Now this is where you will have your leisure time with your family and friends. But I'm going to take you up to the rooftop solarium first. So, you know what I'm going to say, guys? I'll see you upstairs. Now I've just come up here and this is lovely. It's a lovely area to sit. The wind has just blown this a little bit over. But it's a lovely area just to sit and enjoy. And of course, if you like an all over tan, you can sit up here, no one can see you, you know. The whole house is very private, to be fair. And I'm just going to pan around just so I can show you. So there is a pergola there, or an awning I should say, and you can pull that across for shade if you wanted to move the tables across, you know. So let's go back downstairs and have a look at the areas that you can just lounge and just enjoy, you know. So I'm going back down the stairs. I just want to show you the pool area, and you've got a lovely bar area there as well. Now I'm really excited. I'm downstairs now. I'm really excited to show you the bar area. I know people know these Irish women drink a lot, but we don't. But this bar area is fabulous for friends and family, for entertainment. And you can just imagine yourself sitting by the pool. So come along and let's have a look around the leisure area. So there's a nice little table and chairs area here where you can just sit and have outside dining. It's all ready to have lunch with your friends. You have your shower just there. You could enclose it if you want. You have this fabulous pool, very, very inviting. And you have all these areas here where you can lounge and just enjoy the sunshine. So I'm just letting you see. So you have your pump house there for the pool itself. You've got this fabulous bar. Down under there is another nook where you can entertain friends and family. You've got your barbecue there, your loungers, lovely area to sit, and then again somewhere else for outside dining. It's a fabulous area. So let me take you around. We have a look in the bar area. So this is the fabulous bar area. So if you want, you can have breakfast out here, just have tea and coffee. You can have drinks. There of course is that lovely barbecue area. And if we go in here, if you want it to be in the shade, you have this lovely lounge area here where you can have a little tipple and a glass of wine. You've also got this fabulous fridge freezer and loads of storage. You've got your TV there as well, so you can watch footy during the day with your friends. and just enjoy this beautiful area. You can just imagine it, can't you? So let's go around. We have a look around here. So this house just keeps on giving. There's another area here where you can just sit, read a book if you want to, and down here there's more. So just here, this is a lovely area where you can have friends and family around. It sits 8 to 10 people quite easily, and further on there is a table and chairs and a darts board. So you've got everything here to entertain friends and family, or just you and him indoors. So let's go down here and have a look around. So just here you have an underbuilt, so you got some storage. See if it's open. Oh, it's locked, but generally that's just storage under the house where you can put your bits and bobs. Lovely large area, great use of the area as well, and you've got a water point just up there. You've got, of course, a large shed here. Your area for storage, for your logs, for your storage. You have another underbuilt there, which I assume is just for storage. So, just here you have a large carport. So this hasn't just laid mainly to plants and shrubs, but it's quite big, I think. So where there is a bamboo fence, because you've got double gates there, you could take that down, put a ramp. You could park easy if you wanted to tile this over. You could put a camper van in here, I would imagine. And we don't have many properties in Campersall that we can say that, you know. So just come up here. Oh, you've got a nice little tree house there. That is lovely. Look at this. I have to show it to you. It's a little fairy house. Look at that. How nice is that? So just here you have a large carport. So this hasn't just laid mainly to plants and shrubs, but it's quite big, I think. So where there is a bamboo fence, because you've got double gates there, you could take that down, put a ramp. You could park easy if you wanted to tile this over. You could put a camper van in here, I would imagine. And we don't have many properties in Campersall that we can say that, you know. So just come up here. Oh, you've got a nice little tree house there. That is lovely. Look at this. I have to show it to you. It's a little fairy house. Look at that. How nice is that? So you've got this pergola here. You've got this area. So this will fit 3 cars easy. But if you did it some way, curve this around, I'm just taking this at a different angle. If you got a tidy builder in, curved it around, put a ramp through here, you've got quite a large area here that you could have parking for almost 2 camper vans if you wanted. Quite a large area. So, hi guys, what do you think of this awesome villa? It has so much. Just keeps on giving. You got that beautiful pool area, the bar area. You got this lovely nook area here where I'm sitting. Sits 8 to 10 people. You got your dartboard there. You have so much here if you want to entertain friends or family, you know. And that fabulous pool. You got outside dining. You got that lovely parking area for at least 3 cars. And you could do more if you have a camper van. Some people have camper vans, they like to travel the world and use this as a base. Well, you could lay that to tile, and you could fit at least 2 camper vans in there. So this is one of those properties that it actually has it all. It ticks all the boxes, shall I say. So if you're interested in this one, do contact info@to let to sell to buy. If you've any questions, do contact the agent, and I will see you all soon in the next video. Don't forget to share, because somebody out there will love this video. So take care, and I see you all soon for another video from To Let to Sell to Buy.